full automatically facial tissue paper folding machine. This model is designed to produce link-type softbox drawing facial tissue. That is mean, each sheet linked together. Draw the top tissue. The head of next sheet will come out the box. And this machine can produce either embossed or without embossed for customers' selection. It has a feature of tight structure, easy operation, stable operation and elaborate design. We can make the machine with 2 lines, 3 lines, 4 lines, 5 lines and 6 lines. This machine can equip with single color printing or double color printing unit, fully automatic control PLC computer programming, frequency conversion, speed regulation, multi-picture touch screen operation system. Novel transverse cutting knife type. Upper knife is pneumatic separation integral fixed knife. Lower knife is integral rotary knife. Easy to paper. Professional grade suspension type control box. Easy to operate and elegant in look. Movable rubber arc spreading roller prevents paper corrugation and eliminates dust accumulation and finished product pollution. The overall machine adopts synchronized girdle and flat belt transmission, cone pulley type tension adjustment for high precision transmission and maintenance-free operation.